Okay, like I said, I'll do a bit of recap from last time. Just high level, not in depth. So we had said foreign exchange is basically the buying and selling of foreign currencies. Okay. Okay, and so this happens in a place called in an exchange. You know, like the central bank is an exchange. So it happens in an exchange where people buy and sell currencies. That's what we said earlier. And then also, I also mentioned something about, let me see. All right, you still there? Oopsie, okay. All right, so I was trying to give you like a background, given what we talked about last time. Now, this you can read on your own when you're reviewing the video, but essentially what I'm saying is foreign exchange is just the whole idea of buying and selling of currencies from one country to another, okay? The exchange of currencies. Currently, the market, the Forex market is the biggest market in the world. It stands at about $6.2 trillion per day of trading. So that means if you take even like the whole of US and the UK put together, their GDP does not come anywhere close to that. Okay. Yet this is the amount that is traded on a daily basis at the stock exchange. The market is open 24/7. Well, not quite, maybe 24/5 because it's Monday through Friday. So from midnight to midnight, it's open, right from Sunday midnight all the way to Friday midnight during the weekday. But weekends, normally the market is shut down. The major trading center is London. Okay. Reason why? Well, apparently it seems to be like in the middle of all the financial markets. Hence, it is the busiest because to the left we have the US market, which is normally referred to as the New York Open. And then there is, let me see, okay, there is now, the London includes the Swiss market, all the German market, all those European countries, they're centrally located, I mean, controlled from London. And then there is the Asian market. The Asian market is essentially Japan, China, all the Asian countries. Australia actually is in the Asian market, etc. But the busiest and the major market is actually the London market. Okay, so it actually does almost 34% of all the trades in the world. 34%. Then the most popular traded currency is the US dollar. Yeah, the US dollar is the most traded currency. Hence, you find a lot of pairs have US dollar in it. A lot of the pairs that we trade, like if you find people are trading Euro USD, USD, Japanese yen, Australian USD. So there are very many pairs that people trade, all with USD currency. It is the most traded pair. So you find USD, like Euro, USD, okay, USD, Japanese yen, JPY, okay, Australian dollar, AUD, USD, and there are very many, NZD, USD, That's New Zealand dollar, USD. And then our very own South African rand, there's USD, South African rand, ZAR. So as you can see, the US dollar is almost everywhere. It's almost being traded. Sometimes as the main pair, we call it the base currency, okay? And sometimes the quote currency, okay? The second pair normally is called the quote currency. But if a pair is traded, is the basic currency, the main basic currency, we call it the base currency. So that is the base currency. And then the other one is called the quote currency. So this is the base, the first one. And then the second one is the quote currency. Okay. So we said the US dollar is the most popular. And the most popular pair that is most popular is the Euro USD. Okay. So if you see Euro USD, that is the most traded pair, Euro USD. Okay, followed by USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen. All right. Okay, so nothing important there. Let me see. Okay. These are not very important for you to know. So I think last time when we were ending our class, there's something that came up, and the idea of making money. When do we make money? How does the market, how does Forex, how do we make money in the Forex? Yeah, and my answer was, whether the market goes up or down, you can make money. And so then there was a question, how can that happen? How can you make money? Allegedly, the UK Media Release. Can you mute your, okay, thank you. All right, so I'll show you how we make money in the Forex market. So let me see if I can insert blank here. So okay. So how do people make money in Forex? First, I want to give you just fundamentals. Normally, like I said, when the market is going up, okay, I said you are buying. Okay, and I also said that sometimes we call it going long in the market. Or we can say the market is bullish. That is when you're buying. The market is bullish. Bullish. Okay. Now, how then do we make money? Well, like I mentioned to you earlier, if the market is at a point, let's say, this is 1 point, maybe I gave you a 4-digit number, 1.32, maybe 5.1, and the market goes up like that, up like that, up like that, up like that, and then you exit at this point, and this point maybe is at 1.3, maybe 1.41. Oops, it can't be that. It has to be more, maybe 1.33. All right. It's 133. So how much will you have made? Remember, this is the chart, and you've looked at the chart, and this is the value at point A. Okay, and this is the value at point B. Okay, the value at point A is that, the value at point B is that. In other words, the value has increased over time. Okay, so some people are just coming in now. All right, that's fine. So how much you will make depends on the distance or the space you have covered from here to there.
Niko na jina tatu wewe.
Can you guys mute?
Goat Bazenga wewe.
Idiot.
Can you guys mute your somebody has come in and Wesley, is that you?
No, I'm Catherine.
Catherine, okay. Can you mute your computers, please? You're talking, you mute. All right. So I'm even confused. All right. So if the market was here and it was going up there, how do you make money? Well, you make money when you can remember where it started and where it is. So if you subtract these two here, okay, if you subtract this from that, so we do 1.3341 minus 1.3251. So if I subtract this, you get this is 0. That's 14 minus 5 is 9, right? And that is 0. So it's about 90, just 90. So that is what we call 90 pips, the difference between here and that. And if it is a pair, for example, like Euro US dollar, okay, the value of a pip for Euro US dollar, okay, 1 pip is approximately, okay, and I say approximately because some pairs might have different values, approximately $10. Okay, so it will be 90 times 10, which gives you $900. So that's how much you'll have made when the market moves from this point to that point. Now, similarly, if the market is moving down, remember in Forex, whether it's moving down or up, it doesn't really matter. The point is, if it's going down and you choose to sell, that's the key. If it's going down and you choose to sell, okay, whatever you make will still be positive. All right. So if this is maybe, let me use a currency that doesn't have those many digits. 932. I think Japanese yen has some weird numbers. And this is maybe 0.910. Okay, so the market has moved from there, has gone down, and you are on a sell. Because you're on a sell, okay, and we're going down, you just subtract. You subtract this from that, okay, which will give us 2, 1. Okay, again, if it's a pair like maybe Japanese yen, whatever, so you may have to multiply by 9 point something, 9.8 something, which I think it's still almost about 10. So be like about 120, maybe around $120. Okay, so the point here is, how do we make money? We make money when the market either goes up or goes down. Whether it goes up, as long as when it's going up, what you've done is you buy. Now, at the same time, when it's going down, as long as you are selling. But if you do the opposite, by opposite, I mean, if you buy when it is going down and you sell when it's going up, then you will lose some money. Yeah. So if you sell when the market is going up, you'll actually be losing. If you buy when the market is going down, you lose some money. All right. So those are the principles. That's how you make money in the Forex market. Is there any questions so far? I think there were some questions regarding that. I hope it was just to clarify, but that was the idea. The idea was to tell you that you can buy, you can make money whether the market moves up or down. Okay, whether you're buying or you're selling, okay, you can still make money in the Forex market. The only thing is you have to be in sync with the direction of the market. All right.
Question.
Yes.
Question.
Yes, Michelle.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. I'm just trying to see whether I've understood you well.
Mm-hmm.
So when you say you buy
Mm-hmm.
when the market is going up.
Mm-hmm.
So in that term buy, does it mean, like, for instance, that is where you enter the market because now you placed some amount?
Yes, absolutely.
And then when it gets up there,
mm-hmm.
you exit.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
The market, yes.
Then how about this other one of going down? Like when it's down, when you are selling now, you know, when it's going down.
Yes.
So what does that mean? Like you're up there and you're selling. Is it
yes.
you still enter, but now in terms of selling?
Yes. Yes.
Then when it reaches down, you also exit.
Yes.
So you're sell the amount you're selling at. Will it, I don't know, will it be the amount down there?
Mm-hmm.
Or the amount that is up? Okay,
well, I was coming to a real live example. So this is a live example. In fact, I'm going to shut one of them down. I think this one. All right. Can you see what I have there? So what we have there is a simple chart, and it's a 1 minute chart, which means that these candles are taking 1 minute to form. As you can see right now, they're moving. All right.
Yes.
So if I take a trade right now, if I do a buy, okay, if I want to make money now and the market is going up, what do? I buy.
You buy, yes.
Yes. If I sell and the market is going down, I will experience a loss right now. Okay.
If you sell when it's going up.
Yes. Yes. I will experience a loss. So this will be positive if the market is going up. Okay. But it will be negative if I sell at this point. If I sell here, the market is going up. Okay. But I'll show you exactly what I'm saying. So this is a 1 minute time frame. So what I'll do is I'll actually come here. Okay. So the market seems to be wanting to go up, right? So I'll change this here. This is called a lot size, but I'll make it small so I can take several trades. So I can take a buy. Okay, do you think the market is going up or down right now? Does it look like it's going up or down?
Yeah, considering what you've just, I mean, that is a candle at the extreme end.
Yes. That's the one.
It looks like it's going up.
So we need to buy, right? All right.
Yes.
I've clicked on this buy thing here, and you see that's my trade. And look down here. Do you see down here on the bottom right hand side? We've just made $7.
Yes.
Just now. 7.8. It's going. Okay. We've just made $7. But if I had put a sell, I'll put one ready. So you see, as this one is making money, and the other trade will be losing money. What am I doing? See, we've just made some money in one, and now we are losing money on the other.
Okay.
So you see, now we're losing money. All right.
Yes.
But before, the one that just finished made us about $7. Is 7 or what? We made some money already. So let me take another one. So this is sell, and also take another buy. So I have a buy and a sell. So as long as the market is going to go up, this one will turn green because you're making money.
Yes.
But as long as it's going up, this one will continue becoming orange. Okay. But if this orange one comes down, this one will become green. And this one will actually be a loss because, we put a buy. And that's because I put a buy and a sell. And this is one thing you don't do. You don't trade by putting a buy and a sell. Okay.
Okay.
So which one is turning green? Which one is making money?
The buy.
Exactly. Why?
Yes. Because you're making.
Yes. You see, he has already made some profit because the market is going
Yes.
up. The market is going up. But this will continue being a loss. Okay. So if I look at history, yeah. Okay, I'm only taking 2 pips, 2 pips, 2 pips. But the history will show us we are losing money on this one. So the only way it will make money is if this market comes back down. But right now it is so far away. Let me see if I can take some more buys. Okay, I've taken 2. Well, actually 3 trades. Taken 3 trades. Let me take another one. Okay, so this last trade I took already, if the market starts going up, you will see it starting to become green. Okay. So this is what we call scalping. You see, I'm entering the market quickly and getting out. I'm entering and getting out. And this is what I am teaching you, or going to teach you, so that you can, at least by the end of this class, you can be able to take some trades by yourself for practice. Okay.
Yes.
So it's an easier one to learn because there's not much thinking. You just look and say, okay, fine, is the market going up or down? If it's going up, I buy. If it's going down, I sell. And you're good. In fact, I think I need to remove these signals. So the indicators, these are called indicators, by the way. Okay, we don't need them for now, but what they do, they allow you, it's like a cheat sheet. They allow you to trade the markets. Yeah.
They allow you to do what?
They give you like a hint. Like now, you see the way they were going up. So they were telling you to buy, that the market is going up. Okay. But before you get comfortable and start using the cheat sheets, I want you to know how to look at the market naked like this. Because if you get used to the cheat sheet, then you'll not be able to trade without them. But first, you need to learn the market. Once you learn it like this, it will be easier for you now to even use the other tools. Okay? It becomes easy.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Any other questions regarding that? So I was going to introduce you guys to...
I have a question.
Yes.
So when you say make, like when you buy when it's on an uptrend and you make the money.
Yeah.
You make the money, but it's not realized, right?
You make the money, but it's not realized. Well, you make the money and it shows right away on your platform, right there. The good thing about Forex, there's nothing like you do and then you wait for later to tell you. No, no, no. You take the trade and it shows right here, right at the bottom, right there. You see, like now, I took some trades going up. So it has shown me right away, okay, that I'm actually on a loss. So if I was to kill this trade right now, my loss would probably be about 87 euros, 0.87 euros. Okay. So the thing about Forex, as and when you take the trade, when you close the trade, it is instant. What you see down there is what you have made or what you have lost. There is no other exchange somewhere that will go and calculate and tell you later, an hour later, or a few minutes later, or that you've made this much. No, no, no. What you see is what you get. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. So I think it is only fair that I show you how to get this platform on your computers. I think now they even have a phone version of the same. So let me see if I can share how to. This is the platform is called CTrader, and that's one of the most well, it's the latest, one of the latest platforms right now that you can use. It's called CTrader. Very, very, very nice. Now, CTrader allows you to take so many trades all at the same time, okay, especially if you're a scalper. Unlike MT4 or the other older platforms, this is like it's like a Ferrari, okay, of the Forex platforms. It can take so many. You can even take 1,000 trades, in less than a minute if you can click 1,000 times. Yes, it can allow you to do that. But let me show you how you download it and you install it. So I'll stop that. So what you do, you go to Google. Okay, so I'm on Google now, and then I just type CTrader. CTrader. Okay. So CTrader, depending on, there's this one here. Okay, we have less than 10 minutes, but I will show you which one you download. Once you type CTrader, there are so many. You'll find the Fox Pro, CTrader, Forex Algorithm Trading Community, and then there's one here called CTrader. Okay. So if you click on this, you'll be downloading CTrader onto your platform, and it'll come with this logo here. All right. So you click on download. Okay. And then you go download. So there are many versions. There's CTrader on the desktop, okay, which is what I suggest you download. All right. If you go to a public computer, like a cyber or something, then you cannot download, or it's not a good idea to download. What you do, you click on the web version. If I click on the web version, it will launch CTrader on this website here. Okay, so this is probably the easiest for somebody who doesn't have a laptop but still wants to learn how to trade and wants to practice. So you go to a cyber or somebody's computer, and then you do CTrader web, and then you click on it and it launches. Okay, but I'll show you how to go through all of them. So first, let's deal with the downloading. So downloading, you click on that, and there's something will download here, as you can see on the bottom left-hand corner. So something is downloading. And then you click on setup when it's finished. So then, of course, there's CTrader for the Android phones. And then if you have an iPhone, then you can also use, they have their own platform. Okay. Okay. All right. So when you download, this is what you get. Do you want to run the file? Okay. And of course, you say yes. If you say yes, you'll run the file, and then it'll ask you some questions down the line. So I said yes. Okay, we have 7 minutes, by the way. 7 minutes, which means we will not go through the complete setup. But what I will do, I will look for a video I've made before on how to download and install CTrader. Okay, so we can then save this 7 minutes for questions and answers. You know, so that is downloading. Okay, that's what happens. Downloading. I hope I'll be able to do at least 2, that and the web version, so you know how to log in. So for me, I normally use Gmail. I use Gmail to log into all my software things, like CTrader. So it opens up, and then it has opened my workspace already. When you open for the first time, you'll have about 4 windows, not 2. Okay. Now this one has opened up because I've already downloaded it, so I have the software, and that's what it has opened. But for you, you'll have 4 windows. Then you'll have to, in the video that I'm going to share, it will help you close some of the windows and only leave what you need. Yeah. So let me get out of this and see if the web one can open up. Okay. So the web version is easier for those who don't have a laptop. Okay. So you launch, you click on launch, and then it goes straight into the CTrader software, but the web version. But then it also allows you to log in. So you have to sign up using your email account. Oh, so this one is not giving me any other option. Again, I have all these things and I have them, I've signed up using my Gmail account. See? So for you, it will be different. When you log in, you'll have different questions. But like I said, I'll share some videos on how to open up your account. So opening account is very easy, plus it's free. You use your Gmail account or Yahoo account, whatever account you have. You go in, you sign up, and once you sign up, you'll have access to this platform. What I want you to do is, there's a video or 2 that I will share that will help you set it up so you can start playing with the software. By playing, I mean, you're not using any real money at this point. It is not real money, it's just play money. So you come here and you change this to 1. If you change it to 1, so you'll be able to see how the market is moving very quickly. And then here, I want you to change it to 5 if you have both. But for now, I'd rather you just use one screen. So you shut one. Okay, and then you play around with this one. Okay, on the 1 minute. All right. Are there any questions before our time is up? We have about 3 minutes. So I owe you a video that I'll share shortly as soon as this class is over. In the meantime, we have 3 minutes. Anybody who has a question, this would be a good time.
Okay, question.
Yes.
Okay, so I've understood the explanation. So then it means for the scalping, this trading that you're calling scalping, it means you have to be very keen so that to know when to exit, because you are not doing it over a long time.
Yes, yes. That is why the short-term trading is called scalping. Scalping means you go into the market and you come out very quickly. So you have to observe, you have to watch your trade. And some people have become so good that they can make lots of money in that short time because you just time the market. Like now, right now it's 7 p.m., 8:30. Right now the market has slowed down. But if you're in the market between 10 in the morning, let me see, 10 and about 1 o'clock, the market moves a lot. In fact, from 9 to around 1 p.m., you'll see these candles moving a lot. It'll be going like that, even bigger, yeah. And so you have to really keep up with them, you know. And then this is because at that time, the London market is opening. When the London market opens, the market moves a lot and people make a lot of money during that time, okay? Then in the evening again, when the New York market opens, when New York market, it opens between about 3 or 3:30 till about maybe 5 or 5:30. Okay, around that time, again, the market moves a lot. In fact, even if we look right now, if I go back up to around 3 o'clock, you'll see it was not small, short like that. You know, it was very, very long pips and so on. So yeah, the idea is to try and time it. I'll tell you in the next class, I will share with you the best times to trade and so on. But for today, all I want you to do, your homework is to actually go and download the CTrader and play around with it. Don't get scared. You're not losing any money. You're not signing up for anything. You will not lose any money. Any question before the time cuts us out? Okay, like see, this was earlier. Okay, so we have less than a minute now. So this is when the market was moving. All right, see you tomorrow in class, and everybody should have at least downloaded the platform. I will share a video shortly, plus this video, so you can go and practice. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good night.
Good night.
Okay, see you later. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Okay.